Hi, my name is Madison, and the country I decided to do is Eleuthera. There are several islands that make up the Bahamas, Eleuthera being one of them. The only reason I know about Eleuthera is because my cousin, who studied elementary education at Westchester University, was able to student teach for a whole semester there. The island was founded in 1648. Captain William Salas and a group of Puritans known as Eleutheran adventurers sailed from Bermuda seeking of religious freedom. Along the way, they came across this island that is known as Eleuthera. The word Eleuthera stems from the Greek word Eleuthera, which translates into the word free or freedom. The Lucanian Indians originally inhabited the island, but became enslaved by the Spanish in the 1500s. And were shipped to South America. The north part of the island is approximately 225 miles from Miami, Florida. The island is about 90 miles long, and the width is anywhere from 1/2 to 2 miles. The narrowest place on Earth is on Eleuthera, at the popular Glass Window Bridge, where the distance from one side of the island to the other is less than 100 feet. The Bahamas was a British colony and are now a member of the Commonwealth of Nations. Queen Elizabeth II is the head. The Bahamas have their own constitution and celebrate their Independence Day on July 10th. They became a fully independent nation on July 10th, 1973, and is currently ruled by a prime minister. Extremely expensive compared to the U.S. due to everything having to be imported. Like, example, the picture on the right is a jar of peanut butter that my cousin took a picture of in the grocery store there, bought in Eleuthera, and the price tag says $22.39 for just a jar of peanut butter. The population ranges from 8,000 to 11,000, which mostly consists of farmers or fishermen. And here's just this is just a short clip of what the island looks like, some parts of the island. So, just to give you an idea what the island is like. That just gives you an idea what the island looks like and just various parts of the island as well. The biggest export crops is the pineapple, and Eleuthera holds a pineapple festival every year on the first weekend of June that lasts for 4 long days consisting of local culture, food, pineapples, and a Junkanoo party. So here's just a video of what the pineapple festival is really like.
Tourism today, Bahamas tourism today.
Hundreds of visitors and locals flocked to the new and improved festival site in Gregory Town, Eleuthera, to celebrate the 30th annual Pineapple Festival on June 1st through 3rd. It was a fun family event filled with old-school activities for the kids, pineapple-themed entertainment for the adults, and exciting down-home performances.
This is the first festival of its kind, and we're just so delighted to have the opportunity to celebrate the pineapple here in Eleuthera. And we're hoping that this will give an opportunity for more persons to get back into pineapple farming, because, we have the sweetest pineapples in the world.
Visitors travel to the festival from near and far, not only to taste the sweet pineapple that the island is known for, but also to experience Eleuthera like a local.
To see families together and to enjoy the beautiful sky and to hear the music. We tasted a bunch of the local food and it's wonderful.
Yeah, conch salad was really nice. Conch salad was great.
It's incredible. It's our first time in the Pineapple Festival. We honeymooned here last year, and we actually missed the Pineapple Festival last year. We made it a point to come here tonight, and it's awesome.
Pineapple Festival is super fun. It's amazing to see all of the locals, especially from Gregory Town, come together to celebrate. We're glad to be at the 30th annual Pineapple Festival.
The festival is fun for visitors and locals alike, but it means much more to the island of Eleuthera.
We know that there are thousands of persons on this island this weekend, and those persons are requiring accommodations, car, and of course there's lots of eats and drinks that they must purchase.
Be sure to add Pineapple Fest to your bucket list.
Alrighty. And while my cousin was student teaching in Eleuthera, she and a few other girls stayed in a house together on the island. And these are just the pictures of her house, her view from her house. So she loved it, and these are just a few pictures that she had sent me. In regards to the education system, they have the same academic school years as the U.S. A majority of the schools are government-run and owned and free to attend. However, there are some private schools. Deep Creek Middle School and the Island School are two examples on Eleuthera. The public schools called primary, which consist of grades from 1 to 6, lower secondary, which consists of 7th to 9th, and upper secondary, which consists of 10th to 12th. And schools lack educational resources and are often overcrowded. Eleuthera is a very religious country, and religion is taught in all public schools. They still use corporal punishment, which means that they beat students when they misbehave with rulers or yardsticks. This is one of the main schools. This is also where my cousin had student teached. So these are just a few pictures that she took while student teaching in Eleuthera. The Center for Exceptional Learners is a school for special education, and the classroom, the building consists of 2 rooms, and usually students that are sent to this school often repeat grades due to lack of special education services, and there's only one special education school, which is the Center for Exceptional Learners, on the entire island, where the most severely disabled students are bused from all over the island. There are only about 8 students that attend this school, and some of the students drive up to over an hour to school every day. And this is the Haynes Library, which is located in Governor's Harbor. The library hosts after-school programs twice a week, and the students the teachers walk their students there after school. So these are just a few pictures of the library. This is what it looks like on the inside. There's some, areas for the students to read. There are books on the shelves. And then here are just some pictures of the actual students, ranging from different grades, different levels, and they're just doing some class activities. And in these 2 pictures, they were both taken at the library. The one on the left was taken inside the library, and the one on the right is taken outside of the library. Both of these pictures, you could see my cousin in them. She told me that a lot of times they like to go outside, and the teachers will read to the students, and they'll sit on the ground and listen. And then their literacy rates and literacy historical. Almost all students attend school through high school on the island. Many do not attend college after due to getting a job on the island in trade, hospitality, etc. Many island jobs do not require a college degree. And one major event that occurred in the past 5 years was Hurricane Dorian, which occurred last year. And this is just a video of how destructive the hurricane really was to the island and the people inhabiting the island.
All right, we gotta move, guys. We have to jump the fence, okay? We gotta jump
On top of the sink right now.
That's the water hitting my front room window, which is extremely high. And this is the water by my back door and glass. So this is what I'm facing at the moment. Hey!
We don't mind the property, we just want to hope that lives will be saved. But as you can tell, we are going to need a lot of support after this hurricane is over.
Okay, so Hurricane Dorian was an extremely powerful and devastating Category 5 Atlantic hurricane. There was winds up to 183 miles per hour, and it started on August 24th, 2019, and it ended September 10th, 2019. The damages cost over $4 billion, and not only did it affect the Bahamas, but it affected Puerto Rico, Iceland, Greenland, the U.S., and Eastern Canada. And this is just the aftermath of the hurricane and people helping each other, like the residents of Eleuthera coming together to help each other out.
So we needed a way to get persons off the island of Abaco because the entire island has been devastated. And so in order to accomplish that, it was coming together of persons to bring them out by boat. We would be a transshipment point here in North Eleuthera. We receive them, get them food, get them clothing, and then we would be able to transport them onto Nassau. We moved over some 300 plus persons yesterday. We did over 100 and some the day before. We're anticipating we'll do 400 or 500 today.
Our whole purpose here is to provide comfort, safety, wellness, and to also process their information so we can have people be accountable.
We were spared, and now we are able to help in the evacuation process and trying to bring some sense of normalcy to these people who've been traumatized by the experience of that hurricane.
You got a fresh hair too.
I hope this is the end of my presentation. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I cannot wait to read your questions. So, thank you.